Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn reconciling the DHCP database. We use reconciling the DHCP database whenever we are troubleshooting DHCP related problem and we are seeing some inconsistency in the DHCP. For example, you are having this is my DHCP server and I have only created one DHCP scope. Suppose you are seeing here, if you go to display statics, you are seeing 10 IPs are, just for example, if you're seeing, okay, 10 IPs are in use, but if you go to lease, you are seeing only 8 IPs are leased. So there is some inconsistency. If you see 10 here under the client IP lease addresses, and you also see the 10 IPs address in use here, so there is no inconsistency. But if you see something different, then there is some problem. Then can be called as a inconsistency in the DHCP database. So in this case, you can use reconcile and you just select this button, reconcile, select verify, database is inconsistent now. Okay. So what has happened actually, let me show you from this picture. This is my DHCP server. So DHCP server is storing data about leases. Okay, in two places. One under the DHCP database, which is containing detailed IP address leases informations. Which IP has been assigned to which computer, what is the duration, something, when it will be expired. So it is covering or it is having all the required information about the leases and is also storing the information under the registry as well. That is only having some summary. Okay. So if you see here under so you can see registry is saying this IP address has been assigned to particular computer. Okay. But DHCP database is saying no, it IP has not been assigned to any computer. Then you will get confused. Here that I told you. Here I can only see, for example, 8 computers, 8 IPs assigned to other computer. But here I am not. I'm see 10, right? So there is a problem. I will not be able to understand where my two IPs are, to which computer these IPs have been assigned. And if I share the screenshot to with someone, some network person, they will also question why it is not showing two more IPs. So it is as a DSCP administrator, it is my duty to find out what has happened, why it is not showing. Then we need to perform the reconcile and hopefully that problem will be solved. So it happened to me with me sometime before when I was working for one company. I was saying, okay, it was scope was capable to assign 20 IP addresses, but when I was seeing in the leases, it was only showing for 15 IP addresses. Okay, so but if you go here, this display statics, it was showing my scope is full, meaning address list was not showing 5 IPs to which computer these IPs have been assigned to. So then I reached out here and I reached out in here and I just perform reconcile and missing IP was available under the address leases. So as I said here, registry showing IP address is has been assigned to particular computer. The database saying no IP address is available. Database not showing that it is available, but if you go to display statics, it is showing IP address is available. Sorry, IP address is not available. And if you go to the address leases, if you go to address leases, then you can see, let me start again. So here you can see IP address are not available, showing full something. And here you are seeing only 15 or 14 IP addresses. It means my 6 IPs are not available here. So I can't find out to which computer it has been assigned to. So after performing this reconcile, I can see these IPs are showing under this under address leases. So what has happened? Reconcile options compare registry and the DHCP database, and after comparing both the things, it fixes the inconsistency. So whenever you are having something like this, any situation like this, when you are not having correct answer where my IPs are, but it is showing full, not full 100%, I would say something different. Maybe your scope is capable to assign 100 IPs, display statics showing 18 use, but if you go to address leases, you are only seeing 70 or 60. It means there is inconsistency. So in this case, you should perform this reconcile option, and hopefully your problem will be solved. So that's all for this video. If you learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.